A dramatic video captured from an airplane shows a powerful tornado striking Vance Air Force Base in Enid, Oklahoma. The footage reveals the massive funnel cloud moving across the base area. Debris can be seen swirling as the tornado makes its way through the site. Such storms can form rapidly, especially in regions known for severe weather activity. Authorities are monitoring the situation as concerns grow over potential damage. The video has quickly gone viral, highlighting the intensity of the tornado.